your phone. Did Kevin Durant text you?
I'll talk to my wife.
Do you expect a text from him?
I expect to get on the plane, get ready to go home, go lay in my bed, get ready for Saturday.
Hey, what it do? It's your boy Soldier Boy. I'm just chilling in my $6 million penthouse. I got TMZ so mad at me and DJ Academics and everybody. Oh, he renting. Oh, he renting the crib. Oh, it's Airbnb. Bitch, I put it on Airbnb so I can rent it when I go on the road and make extra money. Why y'all so mad? Y'all so mad? Y'all got a new crib? Y'all mad because I got 10 bathrooms, I can shit all day? I got the penthouse. It cost $6 million. And I ain't going nowhere, and I'm going to keep it. So TMZ, thanks for the free promo. DJ Academics, you live in the basement with your mama. And this is my house, and I'm going to make a video in this motherfucker every day for the rest of the year, 2-3 years. It's my house. It's mine!
Oh, Donald Trump is in the office, man. Shit ugly. He moving to Africa with Dave Chappelle and Nas, like he did on Belly. Moving to Africa, fuck it. That's how we rockin', man. That's how we come. Donald Trump, moving to Africa, fuck it. My African homie right here. Moving to Africa, fuck it.
Are you Donald Trump?
Yes, I am. You know.
And I'm Hillary Clinton.
Shut up. Anyway, I want this bag of candy so huge to the rim.
They didn't let this motherfucker win, cuz. I may be moving to Canada. Fuck this shit. This nigga finna win, cuz. To show you what they really give a fuck about.
US Med has great news for anyone living with diabetes.
If you have Medicare, private insurance, or prescription